Installing door edge paint protection film is a wise investment in preserving the aesthetics and value of your beloved car. In this guide, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step. Prepare your car, park it in a clean area with a well-lit environment. With a spray, apply the cleaning solution to the areas you plan to protect. Wipe gently, inspect for residue, and allow to dry. Beginning at the top, with the liner still in place, hold the part to the door edge and check for fit. Start to removing the liner. Being careful not to contaminate the adhesive, press the film onto the door surface with about half of the width on the door edge, and half extending beyond the door edge. Continue this process down to the bottom of the door. If necessary, trim the bottom edge. Carefully fold the film around the door edge, beginning at the top and moving down. Check for air bubbles using a squeegee. If you don't have one, you can use old card. Done. Your car is now protected with 3M Door Edge Guard by Upromax.